Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an on-foot review of my Off White Jordans. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on notifications, and let's get right to it. So I've been getting a lot of messages on giving an on-foot review. So this is what they look like right now. I just wanted to share that when I wear them, I actually don't tie them. I just keep them loose like that. That's how I prefer it. And also it's more comfortable that way. For the inside, these don't have as much padding as how I make the other Jordans. So this one, I did the seamless top cover right here. So I only put one layer instead of two. Normally I put like 2 or 3 layers inside, but for this one, I only put one. So it is a little thinner on the inside, but it also kind of sits up, and I really like how it looks out. It's not as puffy and rounded out. It's just straight up and down. So I'll give a little on-foot review and show you. So that's what they look like on the foot. As you can see, I just laced it up through this, but you know, you could also, how I normally wear them is if you just take it out. I like to have them hanging down. I don't know why, I just prefer that, but I mean, if you just lace it through there, you know, then it kind of looks more like a normal Jordan instead of an Off-White Jordan. Kind of gives that vibe if you have the wings sitting up there. But for the most part, you know, they're super comfortable, made with the highest quality of materials. I really love how they feel. They're probably the most comfortable shoes I have, just the Jordans that I make, especially with how the inside is. And as you can see, it sits up perfect. It doesn't sag down even when the laces aren't tied. Mostly just wear these to the gym. I'll go, you know, I'll get a lift in with these, do some walking in them, and that's about it. I don't really wear them out much. I like to wear my Freddy Krueger Jordan 1 lows. Those are my kind of my dailies, you know, the ones that I wear every day. But whenever I break these out, you know, I like to only really take them to the gym. The gym, it's clean. It's a clean surface, a floor, so you don't really have to worry about getting these dirty or anything. Let me know what you wear your Jordans with. You know, if you wear them with jeans, sweats, shorts. Now it's coming time to winter, so you know, most people are probably just gonna wear them with jeans. But let me know what you wear. I don't really have like an outfit what I wear with the Jordans. Maybe I will do that in the future, you know, just step up the outfit game, the design game. But I mean, for the most part, I just wear these with either shorts or sweats. The sweats covered down to about right there, so you see this all the way down when I'm wearing the sweats. So even when I don't have it laced up like this and it's hanging down, you just kind of see that. So you don't really pay attention to this part. I mean, if I did lace it up through there, it would probably look the same, honestly. So I mostly just wear them with long pants. But if you wear them with shorts, then you could definitely, you know, change it up, and it could change up the look from, you know, one day you have the no wing look, the next day you have, you know, the wing look. So you could just change it up and vary your styles. I know a lot of you guys are asking about the on-foot reviews, so I'll be doing more about those on all my other customs that I'll be making in the future, and some of the ones I made in the past, like the Air Forces and the Reapers. Thanks for checking out this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know what other shoes you want me to do on-foot reviews with. But until then, see you later. Make sure to subscribe and check out all the other videos, and have a good day.